channel. It's your girl, Glamlookbykem. So if you're new to this channel, you're welcome. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for subscribing. If you've not subscribed, please just subscribe. Yes, click on that button. If you're a returning subscriber, I really appreciate it. Thank you for being here. So today I'll be transforming myself into a Yoruba bride. Yes, most of you don't know I'm an Igbo girl. So let's get into it. Hey. So I already did my brows behind the camera. This is not my everyday brows, guys. Yeah. So what do you guys think?
So guys, I'm using the Flawless by Ivy setting spray, hydrating setting spray to hydrate my face, and I'm drying it off. And after that, I go in with my cetaphil moisturizer to moisturize my face properly, like gently. I'm focusing on the eye, under the eye area as well, because I would like my concealer to blend properly without creasing. So I went ahead to use a concealer to apply on my eyelid as a base to blend it. Yes, I'm blending it up because I usually just do my skin first, so I don't know if you guys get to notice this much. So yeah, I went into a really bright concealer for under my brow bone because I would like that place to be poppy. I don't know if you guys get that. I don't think I do it in most of my videos, but this is an engagement look, so I need to stand out. And I went ahead to use a brighter powder as well to highlight it more and set it. So I'm using a shade from the Juvia Split Foundation. I'll put everything I use, not foundation, like a palette. I'll put everything I used in the description box. So I'm using it as a transition color, and I'm going ahead to also use a bit of it to blend in the lights, what's it called, powder I used to set under my brow bone. So I went into an orange shade from another Juvia Split palette. Yes, so if you've not subscribed to this channel, please just help me, just click on that button there. Yes, thank you. You see notification bell, click on it. Thank you, you're the best. So I went ahead to use the concealer again to pop out my eyelid before applying the shimmery eyeshadow from House of Tara. This is House of Tara, guys. Queen Amina too. Most of you should know about House of Tara. They're the OGs, guys. I actually learned my makeup from House of Tara. Beginners, yeah. So I'm blending in my eyeshadow and I'm building it up gradually. So I went into another shade to blend out the shimmery shade I used earlier. And I'm using the other brush to blend it into my crease, so you don't notice any harsh line or notice where it stopped and where it ended. I'm gonna have a separate eyeshadow tutorial very soon coming up for beginners, like just eyeshadow, so you get to see a closer look on what to do and how to do it. But for now, let's enjoy this video. So I also went into a black eyeshadow at the edge, not that black, but just a bit of it to just give it a dark look at the end. And I'm using Luzta pigments and some other pigments. I use like 2 pigments. I'll put everything in the description box, but the shades are alike because I just wanted it to transition from a lighter one to a darker one. If you notice how it's going over there, yeah, so that's what I'm doing. And I'm doing it gradually. I don't just pack it in. I'm building it up a bit, like gradually, so it doesn't have a crack. So I'm also using, okay, I'm done with that. I'm using my foundation right now. I mixed Huda foundation and another foundation. Like you guys know, I always mix my foundation because I don't actually like it being too light, because I'm still gonna highlight my face. So what's the idea of having a very light foundation when you're still gonna highlight your face? I feel it makes the concealer not to pop. So I used my Merak cosmetic brush to distribute the foundation evenly on my face. Then I used the Flawless by Ivy setting spray to hydrate my face again before blending it in, because it helps blend in the foundation properly, smoothly. Guys, let's see what happens after this foundation. Okay, so I went into the concealer. I'm using concealer from, yeah, this Pro Concealer Elegel. Like you guys know, I always bring it out once I start my makeup, so it dries a bit. Yeah, I like the feeling. Maybe you should try it out and tell me what you think. So I'm highlighting my lip area. I usually go back into a dark foundation or concealer for my cupid bow. Yes. So I'm highlighting my chin as well. Okay, now I'm using my orange corrector as my blush. Then I had to use my dark foundation earlier. I used in mixing the other foundation, the Huda Beauty. I'm using it to contour my face. If you need a proper contour tutorial, also drop it down in the description. Oh, sorry, in the comment section. So I would take note of what you guys want and I would bring it back to you guys. Thank you for watching. So I went ahead to blend in my concealer. Guys, can you see how everything is blending? Can you can you see everything is blending to my skin properly? Yes, please subscribe to this channel. If you're enjoying this video, just subscribe. Click on that button there. Click. Thank you. Please, the notification bell is important as well. You see the like button over there? Have you seen it? Yes, I know you have. Click on it. Click. Thank you. You are the best. So yeah, we're back to the video. And I'm still blending it. See, in makeup, you need to blend. Your blending game needs to be 100%. So I went ahead to use my Milani powder, as you guys know, to set it before using my setting powder. And you guys already know the setting powder I'm using. Yes, you guessed right. Merak Cosmetics products. Like, I'm in love with this brand. I don't know. I really want to get all their shades. I'm just using this is ginger, but they have curry and the rest. Yes. See, I'm using a bit to highlight under my eyes. Can you see how everything just went in? Can you even see any hash line or anything? Guys, please go to Merak right now. Pause this video. Go to Merak. Follow them, then come back. Thank you. Then later on, you go and order your products. Thank you. Yes. I also use the angle brush. They have their black pencil as well for the under eyes. But I'm yet to get that. Once I get that, you guys won't hear from me again. Like, my eye game will be popping. So I'm still using the same setting powder. Yes, to set around my lips. I need to snatch this face. You know how when you want to book makeup and they ask you what kind of makeup are you booking for? Are you the bride or are you the wedding guest and all that? Because these makeups differ. We give you the real deal, 100% for your what do I call it? Your wedding look, your bridal look, anything. Cause they're different. Have I looked like this on this channel before? Nahi. So yes, I did my reverse contour and I went ahead to blend it as well. I don't like leaving that for too long. So I went into my my powder palette and I'm using the darker, yeah, the darker shade for my nose contour. This nose needs to be snatched. Yes. So as you notice, I'm blending it into my eyeshadow while contouring. So I went ahead to use the setting powder again from Merak Cosmetics to snatch the nose. And I'm using, of course, you know already, Glamlookbykem Lippies. Have you shopped from us? Or you're just watching this video? We have all shades of lippies. Nude, red, anything you want, we got you covered. We have shimmery lip glosses. We have the popping lip gloss, a peach. Guys, just head over to my page and see all colors you need for your lips. This 2022, your lip game needs to change. Switch it up. So I'm still using my brand as well. Yes, that should be a pink shade. That should be Dara. And I'm blending it. I love overlining my lips. If you guys would like to see how I overline my lips, please drop it in the comment section and I'll bring the tutorial to you guys. I went into the Fun Concealer to use a bit in the middle of my lips. Can you see the look? Yes, and I went ahead to use my setting spray to bring everything together, and I'm highlighting. Ooh! Yes, you guys already know the highlighter I use, but in this video I also went into Younger Beauty Quackish, yeah, I guess, to just bring it out a bit, and I went into Sopro's Fairy, yeah, to highlight it as well. So I'm done with the look now, guys. Can you see? Can you see? Can your bride ever? Can your bride ever? No, your bride can't. So that's the popular Tboy. I had to invite Tboy over. Yeah, he's a friend and a tutor as well. He's really good at what he does. So if you don't know him, then you're not in Lagos or you're not in Nigeria. Because Tboy is that good. So you could head over to his page and check him out.
Make Shakara it's your day. Hey, Jesus, look at this girl. Forget. When you're fine, you're fine. Just look at Mwajuku Kerembosuka. Mwajuku Kerembosuka. Can you see this beauty? Can your bride ever? Nope. Can your bride ever? Me? I'm so excited. It's my wedding day. Megan. Well, I'm not an Igbo bride. I'm a Yoruba bride. But, I'm an Igbo girl. My beautiful Megan. Mega Maka. Odaru Oyibo. Ihe dị iche erika. Ihe dị iche erika. Ihe dị iche erika. The difference is clear. Mega. So we're done, and this is who? Tboy Gele, the popular Tboy Gele. Guys, can you see this? Fuck. Tboy, you're good. Tboy, say hi to my guys, please, where's the groom? See you guys in my next video. So if you've not subscribed, please just click on the button and subscribe. We'll bring more content to you guys.